First, open the Crypto.com mobile app and start from the home page. At the bottom, tap on Accounts and then select Crypto Wallet. Once you're in the Crypto Wallet section, you'll see options at the top such as Buy, Sell, Pay, and Transfer. Tap on Transfer, then choose Withdraw. You'll now be given options like withdrawing crypto, and you'll want to scroll down and select External Wallet. Depending on your region, balance, and selected default currency, the available options might vary. At this point, you can add a wallet address to withdraw to. The speaker notes that only this option is visible for them because their current balance is 0. Normally, you would choose your bank, enter the necessary details, and possibly make a small deposit from your bank account to verify ownership. After this, your bank account will be linked and you'll be able to withdraw funds directly. Additionally, from the home page, you can go to the menu 3 lines on the top left and select Settings. Under Settings, go to Account and you'll find an option to change your display and payment currency. You can switch it to USD or any other preferred currency, which should match the currency supported by your bank for smoother transfers.